What are we putting our money into in 2021? Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, today I want to talk to you about maybe one of the most exciting companies that I've actually, found out about, and I'm super interested, super bullish on this company. I think it's gonna, really, in some ways, even go as far as changing the world. I mentioned in previous videos of what we were looking to do in 2021 and where we thought that the market was heading. One of the principal areas, or maybe one or two of the principal areas that we think where the market is heading is towards the virtual reality space, whole gaming space, virtual reality space. And there's a company that I came across maybe a couple months ago, and as I've dug in deeper and deeper into it, I've found out more and more information about this company. Today I just want to present the company, show you a clip, give you some basic information, and then later on I'm gonna do an in-depth video on this company because I'm super bullish. I'm establishing my position right now. It's a great time to buy, and I'm just super excited. So the company that we have here is Unity Software, Unity Technologies. For those that don't know, I'm going to give you a brief description of what they do. Basically, what they do is that they're a platform where, actually, you know what? I'm not even going to describe it to you. I'm going to show you a small clip that I want you to watch here first, and then we'll cover the stock.
Who first shared their stories in caves, connected art, nature, and science, led us toward new horizons? Who thought to capture motion, spark an engine to life, turn television into a playground? Every day, you create the playful, the functional, and the unexpected. You break down walls and take us to astonishing places. Tell stories, leap borders, and create beauty for tomorrow. Because at Unity, we believe the world is a better place with more creators in it, where everyone has a chance to shape the world.
So that gives you a brief idea of what this company can do. Now, some important topics on this company is that an interesting thing that I found out is that about 60% of all gaming in the industry of gaming uses Unity platform in order to create their games. Not only that, but content creators as well can use their platform to create their own games. I'm gonna discuss the stock a bit here. Currently, right now, I've been buying. We're currently invested in the stock. If you look at the stock here, within the last month, it has kind of came down a little bit. It was at 171. That's about the time when I started watching it. I didn't establish a position there. I started establishing a position right around 150, so right around here. And from there, I've been establishing a position, a bigger position from there. Today, currently, it's trading at 138. We currently hold in our public account, we hold 80 shares at an average cost of 146.16, okay? I'm planning to get my position on this to about 250 shares. The only thing that I regret is not finding out about this company before, okay? Not finding out about this company before, because it did go IPO last year in 2020, and it IPO'd at about $66. It's an amazing company, guys. Unity Software develops video game software. It provides software solutions to create, run, and monetize interactive real-time 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, consoles, augmented and virtual reality devices. I'm surprised more people are not watching this and have this on their radar and are not talking about it simply on YouTube. I think it's a game-changing company. I'm going to show you a little bit more. If you go straight to their website, I'm going to show you. Real interesting thing about them is that they're not only a business-to-business company, a B2B, but they're also a B2C. And just to give you an idea, they not only cover gaming. A lot of people think this is just a gaming stock. This is not just a gaming stock. I'll give you an idea here. Everything you need to create and operate your games. That's one section of their business. Automotive, transportation, and manufacturing. Gain a competitive edge with real-time 3D and a rapidly evolving industry landscape. They also work in the film and animations and cinematic sector. So it's gaming, automotive, films, animation, and cinematic. And I'll tell you one thing, guys. I don't know if you guys have you ever seen when, like, say for example, you go to Nike and you see the shoe move and it'll show you all the angles to the shoe. That technology right there is their technology. It's Unity's technology, and they pay this company to use that technology. So they're all involved in the virtual reality and the gaming. Anything that has to do with VR, 3D, 2D, they're in it. Another thing that they also cover, and you kind of seen it on the last part of the video, is this: architecture, engineering, and construction. Okay? I'm in the construction business as well because I build homes and stuff like that. I could tell you one thing about the construction business. When it comes to architecture, engineering, it's really, really outdated. Basically, we're still working with the pens and paper method in terms of blueprints, because we still use blueprints in order to, get our projects passed through the city. They provide 3D experiences right here. Create immersive 3D experiences for real-world applications at scale, guys, at scale. I see this company, Unity. I mean, they're involved in so many fields, and I see the future of our world going into a virtual reality world. It's an amazing company. It's a profitable company. It's expanding. It's a futuristic company. I'm super bullish on this company, guys. I just want to introduce this company to you guys. I want you guys to do your own research, do a little bit more research, but I really think we have a game changer in Unity stock. So it's something to keep your eyes on. Do your own research. Go on YouTube, check it out. Go on their website. They offer, the way I see Unity is like a YouTube for creativity. In other words, a YouTube that allows people to create their own designs, their own images. And one thing that blew my mind was this film, animation, and cinematics. I guess currently the way they currently create a film is still using the technology of the 30s or 40s. And with Unity, they have a technology where you can create a film and people can input information all at once on their software. It's like an amazing technology where the future of film will be changed forever. And guys, sometimes it just leaves me speechless, to be honest with you. Check this company out. I just want to put it out there. I'm gonna do an in-depth video. I don't want to go into everything right now because it's so many things, but I'll touch bases on each sector because they cover a lot. So I'll do like a video on automotive, I'll do a video on film, and then I'll do a video on architecture. And then together We'll put it all together. We'll go over it. But for now, I want to leave you with that. Keep your eyes on Unity stock. If I would suggest to you what price to buy, I've been buying from 135. I'm sorry, I've been buying from 150 on down. So I don't want to waste any more time. I think this is a 10 bagger. I think this is going to 10x in 5 to 10 years from now. I think later on we'll be seeing Unity as a, if Unity does not get to $500 within the next 3 to 5 years, I'll be extremely disappointed. I'll be the first one to tell you. So awesome time. If it goes down and it dips, I'm gonna buy more. I want to get my position to 250 shares. Do it. Don't sleep on this stock, guys. We're gonna look back at this video 2 to 3 years from now, where I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna re-emphasize to you, do not sleep on this stock. It's something amazing. Look into it. Have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.